Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a pre-owned 2014 Ford F-150 Supercrew Platinum Series. Ruby red metallic and exterior color. It's accented with a stainless steel platinum grille, projection style HID headlamps, and a body colored lower bumper with chrome recovery hooks, an engine block heater for the 3.5 liter V6 Ecoboost, 20-inch Platinum Edition wheels, heavy-duty mud flaps, chrome mirror caps, door handles, and body side accenting. At the side we have power deployable running boards, tinted rear windows, and 4 full doors to accommodate 5 passengers. At the rear we have the Platinum placard tailgate. We have a trailer towing connection with 7 and 4-pin electrical hookups, a manual locking tailgate, a rear tailgate step, a spray-in box liner, and 4 stationary cargo tie-downs. The rear window is power sliding and it also features rear window defrost. Climb inside using Ford's gear code entry system and you'll find power windows, power locks, and power mirrors, with a power fold option, a black and wood grain interior, a Sony sound system, rubber floor mats, automatic headlamps, a power adjustable steering wheel, and set of brake pedals. We also have cruise control, sync voice activated controls, and media center controls, a unique steering wheel, a flow-through center console, a black leather platinum interior for 5, heated and cooled front seats with power controls and memory seat function, adjustable headrests, overhead power moonroof, universal garage door openers, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and a place to store your glasses. The Platinum offers a productivity screen located in the driver's view. We have electronic shifting 4-wheel drive, an integrated trailer brake controller, a backup camera, a traction control switch, factory navigation, outside temperature display, heated and cooled seats, and a premium Sony sound system with CD player, optional Sirius XM radio, and standard Bluetooth phone controls. We have dual climate control zones for the driver and passenger, standard air conditioning, and rear window defrost, a 12-volt power supply, and a glove box for additional secure storage. In the second row we have a 60/40 split bench, a flat storage floor, overhead lighting and garment hooks, heated outboard seats, storage and seat pockets of the driver and passenger seat, door storage. We also have a 12-volt 110 power outlet. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional friendly sales staff. Look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.